Coming to other observation, especially in Africa, we know that data is very scarce. It's very hard to do observation in Africa. So we need to use other observation so that we can improve on the data which we can get.
GMES and Africa project aims at promoting data access and Earth observation data access and utilization in Africa.
The key objective for the hackathon that we have organized is to make sure that the data that's being generated and being provided through the GMES and Africa project is utilized for creating applications within environmental mapping, within environmental monitoring, and also climate change and sustainable development.
This particular hackathon was geared towards solving few environmental problems related to a number of themes, in hydrology and water resources, agriculture and food security, landscape and forest, and also on protected children. We had an introductory course on issues on a cloud computing platform called DUNIA. DUNIA is a project of European Space Agency, specifically being sponsored by GMES and Africa, to enable utilization of Earth observation data to around a number of environmental issues.
One thing I was looking when I was assessing is, how do you sell that the thing you created? You have a model, how do you sell it? Are you just creating a model so that to be used by your peers, or can it be upscale?
The benefit that we have achieved through the hackathon is that the participants have been able to create solutions. They've been able to utilize the geospatial data, the Earth observation data, and they've been able to create solutions that are going to be applied for the region. For example, for the ones who have done flood mapping, they've done forest cover change monitoring, they have really assisted, and those solutions are going to be scaled up through the GMES and Africa program.
It was just a learning experience. I've learned so much in this 1 week. I think my brain might be getting hot or something on that this week. Thank you for organizing this for us, the department plus the organization. We look for opportunities like this as young graduates or young engineers so that we can expose ourselves to the workplaces. It has been emphasized teamwork. I think all of us have learned a lot about teamwork. Was something you getting stuck with something, then you go to another group, you see what they've done, then you come back. It was a really good learning experience.
In my day-to-day work activity, DUNIA will really help because actually it really help in assessing risk assessment for our schools. Personally, now for where I work from, assess risk for the schools that are facing floods and drought. Because with that, with just one script, we can actually assess what is vulnerable, what is less vulnerable, all the schools. That is part of the work. But for my own growth, this is a plus to my skills.
We are very thankful to partner and to always work with big partner in providing solutions that we have today. I also want to congratulate the participants for having taken part in the hackathon and the winners of the challenges that were put forward. This is a very good way to go about realizing solutions to the problems we are facing. And we are trusting that in the use of Earth observation, the services and applications learned, the participants will be able to contribute to the many problems we are facing as a nation, but also globally.
We encourage everybody to use this freely available data to do all the analysis, to come up with the solutions to address many challenges in the environment, including climate change, food security, forest cover, land degradation, protected areas. All this cannot be addressed without using the Earth observation, which is very rich now.